Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use React Hook Form. This powerful library simplifies form management in React applications, making development much smoother. It is designed for high performance, reducing unnecessary re-renders and providing a seamless user experience. We will cover its core features, from setup to submission, helping you build robust forms efficiently and with less code. To begin, you will first install React Hook Form using your preferred package manager, either npm or Yarn. Next, import the useForm hook into your functional component. This hook provides essential methods like register and handle submit. Then, you will register each of your input fields, such as text inputs or select boxes, using the register function. This step connects your form elements to the library's state management. Validation is straightforward with React Hook Form. You can define various validation rules, like required or min length of 8 characters, directly within the register function for each input. If a field fails validation, the errors object, provided by useForm, will contain detailed information. You can then easily display these error messages next to the corresponding input fields, offering immediate feedback to your users. Finally, handling form submission is simple and efficient. You will wrap your submission logic with the handle submit function, also provided by useForm. This function automatically prevents default browser behavior and only executes your callback if all form fields are valid. Your callback function will receive the form data as its first argument, ready for you to send to an API or update your application state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.